Hey everybody, it's me, Grandmaster Phil, the funniest unfunny guy on the planet, comedic genius, barring none. And so we're out on the road, and there was an accident out here. There was a truck. Yes, a truck. the truck still had, well, all right, so don't laughing. No. The truck had oil in it, and it spilled on the road. Yeah, and the cops aren't happy. It clogged up the arteries. No laughing. And that's all we got. Remember, it's a sad planet out there. Remember, with God, all is possible. I have proof of that. Smile, laugh, laugh. A huge shout out to our troops. Thanks for your service and your sacrifice. You guys are awesome. And shout out to King Ryan and Queen Edwina and the Little Prince. Johnny Beans, it's all good. And Rich, positivity is contagious. I hope everybody has a phenomenal, ridiculously blessed day. Peace out, Cub Scouts.